ESPRIT, the industry-leading cam system by DP Technology, proudly presents ProfitTurning, a unique, patented, high-speed lathe roughing strategy that overcomes the limitations of traditional roughing and grooving cycles to save you time, money, and tooling. Traditional roughing cycles can have adverse effects during the cutting process. Heavy tool loads can cause chatter, high and irregular cutting forces, and inconsistent chip loads, which cause inefficient chip removal. This leads to chip recutting and excess heat that wears tools down. Conservative programming to mitigate these effects limits the cycle's ability to remove material at an efficient rate, especially in heat-resistant and hard materials. ESPRIT ProfitTurning gives you an easy-to-program solution that brings faster cycle times and longer tool life to your lathe roughing and grooving cycles. Here are the top 5 reasons to start using ProfitTurning today. Reason 1. ProfitTurning provides full control over tool engagement at all stages of the cycle, ensuring a consistent chip load. As the tool rolls into the beginning of a pass, ProfitTurning engages a smaller feed rate to control tool engagement, which minimizes deflection and tool wear. The cycle then applies a maximized feed rate for parallel moves throughout each pass. As the tool leaves the cut, ProfitTurning again reduces the feed rate to take advantage of the same optimal cutting conditions as the entry. Reason 2. ProfitTurning can extend tool life up to 300% when compared to conventional roughing and grooving strategies. Using round inserts or full radius grooving tools, ProfitTurning takes advantage of the chip thinning effect for more efficient cutting at higher feed rates while reducing vibration and irregular cutting forces that can damage the tool or result in a poor surface finish. Reduction in tool wear from part to part means that both the tool and the machine can produce for longer periods without insert changes. Reason 3. ProfitTurning reduces cycle times by 25% compared to traditional strategies. Round inserts can cut in alternate directions, eliminating retract moves. Between passes, ESPRIT uses a roll-in, roll-out strategy, which allows for smooth arc transitions. A transition feed rate setting allows for increases in feed rate during straight-line transition moves to further optimize the cycle time. Reason 4. Cut small and narrow areas with ease. ProfitTurning automatically handles small and uneven areas with controlled trochoidal cutting. This is accomplished with a user-defined minimum trochoidal radius setting that allows for progressively smaller incremental depths to maintain tool engagement in tight areas. Reason 5. Studies comparing traditional zigzag cutting strategies to ProfitTurning show that ProfitTurning can reduce your cost per part by up to 60%. The combined advantages of long tool life, consistent chip load, and faster cycle times add up to more productivity and more profit in your shop. ESPRIT makes it easy to apply ProfitTurning to milling and grooving cycles. You'll see the benefits of ProfitTurning the first time you use it. ESPRIT offers unprecedented support for almost any CNC machine tool on the market, with a dedicated team of post-processor writers working in partnership with machine tool manufacturers such as Mazak, Akuma, DMG Mori, and over 180 others, to support over 3,500 machine models on the market. Digital machine packages include realistic machine models for digital twin accuracy and simulation, and post-processors that deliver the most accurate, efficient, and edit-free NC code for your machine. To bring the power of ESPRIT and profit milling into your shop, go to ESPRITCAM.com today to find your nearest reseller.